This is Eddie George reporting live with HimandINews.com. Hemet Fire, CAL FIRE, and San Jacinto Fire, along with San Jacinto Police Department, responded to Washington Avenue where there was reported of an explosion with a fire inside of a home. Upon arriving, the fire department noticed that a fire was started in the kitchen, uncaused, known at this time what caused the fire. We spoke with the battalion chief with CAL FIRE, which stated that there were no injuries at this time and the cause of the fire is still under investigation. This is Eddie George, the crazy guy with the lazy eye, with Laura Kane reporting live with HimandINews.com.